Hey everyone, how's it going? Hope everyone's having a good one so far. Again, I'm Ian. I'm the senior, not senior, sorry, I'm the PM for compliance group here at GitLab. And joined with me is Nate Rosendich, the EM for the compliance group here at GitLab. And today we just wanted to walk through what the compliance group is planning on working on for the 17.7 release. So I'll be walking through the product priorities, and Nate will then follow up by chatting about the specific work that we'll be doing for each of those initiatives. So here, as you can see, this is the priority list for the 17.7 release. First one on the list is custom adherence configuration MVC. So again, hopefully this isn't a surprise for anyone that's been following this series. We are currently in the process of introducing a way to specify requirements as part of creating frameworks here in GitLab, as well as removing standards from GitLab as well. So we'll just be continuing that work to ensure that you're able to actually create a framework with associated requirements, and then being able to map your appropriate controls to those requirements as well. And that will be one of our top priorities to deliver over the next few milestones. Second on that list is around the compliance pipeline to security policy migration. So first off, really wanted to say a big thank you to everyone who have seen our depreciation notice, as well as the difference of messages that we've been putting around to make sure everyone's up to speed on when this is happening. So again, just as a quick reminder that the deprecation is actually going to be happening on the 18.0 release. And previously we released a migration workflow that enables you to move your compliance pipelines to security policies even more efficiently. And we'll be continuing some more work here to ensure that not only will the migration proceed smoothly, but that everyone gets the message that the deprecation is going to happen, and the removal of compliance pipelines will also happen by 18.0. So again, just a quick reminder to everyone to chat with your customers, or if you're a customer watching this, to ensure that you move to pilot execution policy by 18.0. Thirdly, on that list, we'll be working on some compliance center improvements, and these are directly related to some feedback that we've gotten from customers around some of our usability, as well as some performance, UI performance concerns on the compliance center at scale. So we'll definitely be putting in some work on that for the 17.7 release in response to that feedback as well. And finally, with the last three, so fourth, fifth, and sixth, these are things that we're doing either internally in the team or are related to the ongoing sales initiative. So those will be things that we will be doing, but they will definitely be part of our later priorities compared to the three things that I've just mentioned. So yeah, that's all of our full priorities list. I'll hand it over to Nate to chat through the work to be done for the quarter. Nate, over to you. Sorry, for the release.
Awesome. Thanks, Ian. Yeah, so as mentioned, the top priority for us is the custom adherence configuration MVC. In the previous milestone, we had we'd completed all of the backend database work and had started into the APIs. In 17.7, we want to complete all the GraphQL APIs and get most of the front end for configuring a requirement and controls within a framework completed, and then start on the evaluation engine and the reporting of that evaluation. The next one is the compliance pipeline to policies migration work. So in 17.7, we released a accordion when there is no compliance pipeline to remove that out of the compliance framework editing page. In 17.7, we're going to release a pop-up modal, which is shown when a framework is saved and has a compliance pipeline configured, just to reinforce the messaging around our deprecation in 18.0. Next up is the compliance center improvements. In 17.6, we released a update to be able to filter by subgroups, and also some navigation and usability. We want to continue on this work by increasing the speed, so especially at scale with thousands of projects and frameworks. We've got some feedback on that. And also improving the search functionality to make it easier for users to be able to find and edit what they need to. And we're also looking at a hierarchy listing within the compliance center to make it easier to find where your projects and frameworks fit into the overall structure of the groups. The next one is our consolidation work. So we want to complete all the code level work and start on the migrations of users' destinations to this new system, which will definitely increase speed and provide all of the functionality like filtering and different destinations at all levels. Next, we have our metrics gathering. So we're continuing to add metrics, and we want to add two more to be able to make sure that we're delivering the right products. And finally, our sales work. So we want to merge both the group and instance level controllers, and this will set us up well for once the migration work is complete, and we'll be able to move over to the new sales architecture. That's it. I'll pass it back to Ian.
Awesome. Thanks, Nate. That's the update for the 17.7 release. So thanks everyone for tuning in, and we'll catch you at the next one.
Catch you.